I'm ready to embrace the opportunity of this day. I'm a powerful creator of my reality. I radiate confidence and positivity. I am in control of all of my thoughts and all of my emotions. I'm open to new experiences and challenges. I am resilient and I can overcome anything. I choose happiness and joy. Today, I am at peace with my past. I am growing and I am evolving. I am a source of inspiration to others. I'm loved and supported by the universe. I am surrounded by love and positive energy. I am confident in the decisions that I make. I am grateful for my health and for my well-being. I am deserving of all things that are good. I am a loving and caring person. I am kind and I'm compassionate. I am at peace with myself. I am in alignment with my purpose. I am a source of love and positivity. I am a channel for my creativity and inspiration. I am very grateful for the people that I have in my life. I am connected to the universe. I am a source of strength for others. I am successful and I am accomplished. I am worthy of all the love in this world. I am open to receiving love and affection. I am at ease with who I am. I am confident in my uniqueness. I am okay with my flaws and imperfections. I am constantly evolving and growing. I am in total control of my actions and my reactions. I am grateful for the lessons that I've learned. I am a magnet for positive people and positive energy. I am in tune with my intuitions. I am a source of inspiration to others. I am a loving and forgiving person. I am surrounded by abundance and prosperity. I am capable of achieving greatness. I am grateful for all the beauty in this world. I am a beacon of light and of hope. I am very confident in my abilities. I am always open to new opportunities. I am resilient, and I can overcome anything. I am a force of positivity. I am a source of love. I am connected to the abundance of the universe. I am confident in all my decisions that I make. I am worthy of success and of happiness. I am grateful for the love that is in my life. I am a powerful and capable individual. I am open to receiving love and support. I am at peace with my past. I am in control of my destiny. I am a source of strength and inspiration. I am a loving and nurturing person. I am aligned and in tune with my life's purpose. I am fearless and I am confident. I deserve good things. I am in complete control of my thoughts. I am growing each day. I am grateful for those who support me. I am a magnet for success. My positivity rubs off on others. I am at peace with the present moment. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. I am a source of love. I am a channel for creativity. I have an open mind. I am open to new experiences. I have confidence in myself and my abilities. I am loving and I am caring. I am resilient and I can overcome anything. I am a kind and compassionate soul. I am worthy of respect. I am in total harmony with the world around me. I am at ease with who I am. I am proud of my uniqueness. I am at peace with all of my imperfections. I am in control of my own destiny. I am grateful for all the lessons that I have learned. I am a magnet for positive people. I am in tune with my intuition. I am a forgiving person. I am capable of achieving anything. I am grateful for all the beautiful things surrounding me. I am open to new opportunities. I am a great friend, and I bring joy to others. I am confident in the decisions that I make. I am wise and powerful. I am in control of my finances. I am a master of my emotions. I am a positive influence on those that are around me. I am so grateful for the simple pleasures in life. I am a problem solver. I am a source of light and love. I am courageous. I can face any challenge. I am resilient. I am open to receiving and giving love. I am a powerful force. I am excited for what the future holds. I am a vessel of positivity. I am open to receiving miracles. I am confident in my abilities and talents. I am aligned with my purpose. I have passion. I am a channel for divine love. I am free from fear, and I am free from doubt. I am an achiever. I am in alignment with my passions. I am worthy of happiness. I believe in my own potential. I am in charge of my happiness. I embrace change and I adapt with ease. I am grateful for the gift of a new day.